Every 39 seconds, a cyber attack hits somewhere in the world. Data is stolen. Systems are locked. Businesses collapse overnight. And most victims? They never saw it coming. In this course, I'll break down what cybersecurity really is, how attacks work, and exactly how to protect yourself. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to go pro, this is your starting point. Let's get into it. Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting computers, networks, programs, and data from digital attacks, unauthorized access, and damage. Think of it as the digital equivalent of a security guard, locks, and alarm systems, but for your technology. It's not just about software. Cybersecurity covers three pillars: people, processes, and technology, all working together. Every time you set a strong password, enable two-factor authentication, or get a warning about a suspicious email, that is cybersecurity in action. Without it, your personal data, financial accounts, and even your identity are wide open to attack. Why does cybersecurity matter? Because the cost of ignoring it is catastrophic. In 2023, cybercrime cost the world over $8 trillion. The average data breach costs a company $4.45 million. And here's what most people don't realize. 43% of attacks target small businesses, not just large corporations. Individuals are targeted too. Stolen identities, drained bank accounts, held for ransom files. No one is too small to be a target. Cybersecurity is no longer optional. It is a survival skill for the digital age. Every security decision in cybersecurity comes back to three core principles, known as the CIA Triad. First, confidentiality. Only authorized people can access sensitive data. Second, integrity. Data must be accurate, complete, and unaltered by unauthorized parties. Third, availability. Systems and data must be accessible to authorized users when they need them. These three principles are the foundation of every security policy, control, and tool you will ever encounter. When a security decision is made, ask yourself, does this protect confidentiality, integrity, or availability? Usually, it protects all three. Cyber threats come in many forms. Malware is malicious software designed to damage, disrupt, or gain unauthorized access to systems. Phishing is a deceptive attack using fake emails or websites to steal your credentials. Ransomware locks your files and demands payment to restore access. Social engineering manipulates people rather than exploiting technology because humans are often the weakest link. Denial of service attacks flood systems until they crash. And insider threats come from within your own organization, whether accidental or deliberate. Knowing the threat landscape is the first step to defending against it. How do attackers actually get in? The most common entry point is a phishing email, a convincing fake message that tricks someone into clicking a link or entering credentials. Weak or reused passwords make it easy to take over accounts once one is compromised. Unpatched software vulnerabilities give attackers a known door to walk through. Misconfigured cloud storage exposes sensitive data to the entire internet, and insider threats, whether a disgruntled employee or a careless click, can bypass even the best external defenses. Understanding attack vectors helps you close them before attackers find them. Let's go deeper on malware, the most common category of cyber threat. A virus attaches itself to legitimate files and spreads when those files are opened or shared. A worm self-replicates across networks without needing a host file. A Trojan disguises itself as legitimate software to trick you into installing it. Spyware silently monitors your activity and sends data to an attacker. And ransomware, the most damaging today, encrypts your files and demands payment, often in cryptocurrency, to restore access. The best defense against malware is a combination of antivirus tools, safe browsing habits, and regular software updates. Social engineering is the art of manipulating people into giving up confidential information. It exploits human psychology, trust, urgency, fear, rather than technical vulnerabilities. Phishing uses deceptive emails pretending to be from trusted sources, like your bank or IT department. Phishing is the same attack over the phone. A caller poses as tech support or a government agency. Smishing uses text messages with malicious links. And pretexting involves an attacker fabricating a scenario to extract information, pretending to be a new employee or auditor. The defense: verify before you trust. Always confirm requests through official channels. Your network is a primary attack surface. Here's how to defend it. A firewall monitors and filters incoming and outgoing network traffic based on security rules. Your first line of defense. An intrusion detection system, or IDS, monitors for suspicious activity, while an intrusion prevention system, or IPS, actively blocks it. A VPN encrypts all traffic over public networks, keeping your data private. Network segmentation divides your network into zones, so if one area is breached, the attacker can't move freely through the entire system. Together, these tools form a layered defense in depth, making it significantly harder for attackers to succeed. You don't need to be a security expert to stay protected. Here are the fundamentals everyone should follow. Use strong, unique passwords for every account, and use a password manager so you don't have to remember them. Enable multi-factor authentication everywhere. Even if your password is stolen, MFA blocks access. Keep your operating system and software updated. Patches close known vulnerabilities. Back up your data using the 3-2-1 rule. 3 copies on 2 different media types, with 1 stored off-site. And stay aware, most attacks start with a human mistake. Security is a habit, not a product. Cybersecurity is one of the fastest-growing and highest-paying fields in technology. The blue team focuses on defense, roles like SOC analyst, incident responder, and security engineer. The red team focuses on offense, ethical hackers, penetration testers, and bug bounty hunters who find vulnerabilities before attackers do. The purple team bridges both sides. GRC specialists handle governance, risk management, and compliance, critical for regulated industries. And the CISO, Chief Information Security Officer, leads it all at the executive level. Entry-level certifications like CompTIA Security Plus, Certified Ethical Hacker, and eventually CISSP will open the door to any of these paths. The field is wide open. The time to start is now. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, hit that subscribe button for more cybersecurity training. Share this video with someone who is learning security, and visit bemitechsolutions.com for more resources. See you in the next one.